broke this.
It's okay.
Remove эту игрушку.
I broke it.
You
I
can fix it.
fixed it.
Умничка.
Happy birthday! It was your birthday. We just came a little bit late. But we brought you a present from Miami, from Florida. You know Florida, right? Ты сладкий мальчик.
Yeah. The car goes like this. Vroom. Exactly.
Makes the sound. It makes that sound. A car. I know that. I know that.
И хорошо, что не на полу, а на столе, так как бы просто.
На полу тяжело это делать.
Опа!
Санечка.
What's up?
No, rotate on the top. Санечка, on the top. Санечка, go on, rotate this.
Говори.
Okay.
Вот does he have to do?
Это желтую наверху крутить.
Вот это?
Да.
А, here we go. Ну? Куда? Вот?
Ну, туда, обратно, когда
Давай.
если... Так,
Let it go.
Это моет, машину моет.
А, это мойка, да? Ну?
Все в другую сторону делай.
You see?
This is the Rex train meets. This is the Rex
Возьми, Лор.
train we saw.
Окей.
That's why I saw.
Это какой-то другой. It's a cute looking train. Оп.
Cool looking train. Cool looking train.
Is it good? Did you see us on Skype? In the computer?
Yeah. What's that cool looking truck?
Oops. Now it's not cool looking, huh? It's not?
Мы потом по скайпу покажем в Майами, как он играется.
It is.
It is a cool looking car truck.
It is a little cool looking.
Ah. Oh, it's just a magnet. Look. Tick. That's it. Up. A tick. Just a magnet. Шунча.
It's just a magnet. See? Look. It's not cool looking.
А вот это что такое цистерна? Откуда
There
идет?
it is.
А, подожди-ка. А
It's
наша...
not cool looking.
Подожди-ка. О, вот так, да? Нет. Так?
I
Это
can
перевозить на поезде, на траке. Милк пробовали.
I can I give my toys to somebody who doesn't have toys.
Вот, умничка, ты добрый мальчик. Вот, ты очень хороший мальчик. To give your toys to somebody who doesn't have toys. Very nice boy.
The kids don't. The kids don't.
Very nice.
The baby doesn't. And the babies don't. This when I was a little. This when I was a little baby.
Yeah, now you're a big boy. But you can give it to baby, yes? Who doesn't have these toys, yes?
This is for a baby.
Mm-hmm.
But the baby doesn't want toys. The babies don't want toys at all. But
Oh, they like
this is a cool
toys for babies.
bubble.
Yeah. Bubble, making bubbles.
You saw you doing bubbles when on your birthday.